and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be taking this 26-inch deep curl wig and we're going to bleach the knots, you guys, so that it can look more realistic when I install it. So these are the knots right now. It kind of look cool, but we're gonna bleach them so it will give you a perfect look. So this is a 13 by 4 lace wig, you guys. I got her from Amazon. So we're gonna bleach it. This is gonna be like a three-part series, y'all. So first thing first, we're gonna bleach her or whatnot. I already cut the extra lace off already. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Here is my bowl. I'm gonna use this makeup brush. So first thing first, I'm only doing the roots, the knots right now. So I'm gonna use 1 scoop. But I don't need a lot. Alright guys, this is the right consistency. That I'm going to be using. Okay, so now, all I'm going to do I'm gonna bleach all of this. Let's see how this baby bleaches. Maybe it'll do a good job, maybe not. Hopefully I got a good wig from Amazon. If you order off Amazon, in all reality, it's like you're chancing yourself, because if it's not good and you already opened the package, it's like you can't return it. So it's always a chance that you're gonna get a bad wig, but we're just gonna hope that this is a good wig. It had no tangles. There was no smell, no shedding when I finger combed it. So hopefully hopefully this is good. So I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes in a bag. This is the bag that it was in. I'm gonna put it in here. Let it sit in here. Halfway, you guys. The hair is gonna stick out. It's gonna go like this. Let me get a holder. This holder right here. Okay, so that's how it looks. I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes and then come back and see how it's progressing, you guys. So make sure y'all like this video up on the road to 2K. Okay, you guys, so it's been 10 minutes. So we're going to take it out and look at it. Here, it's still in here. Let's see, y'all, if it bleached, because this is an Amazon wig, and you know sometimes the Amazon vendors be kind of iffy. Okay, so here we go. Oh, y'all, it did its thing. But some of the hair is light now. But yeah, y'all. So we're gonna wash this out. Oh, this is so cute. Let me take y'all to the kitchen. Oh, it's strong, y'all. But hold on a second. I'll be right back. Let me take it to the kitchen. Oh yeah, y'all, I didn't turn the camera on. It's alright, hold on. Gotta plug my stand back up so we can get some banging lighting, because that's all what I do. That's the thing. I gotta make this stand taller so y'all can see. Hold on. It bleached really good. I'm super excited. I feel like I gotta bleach my hair like the hair now. We're gonna bleach it. We're gonna wash it out first. We only left it in for 10 minutes. Alright. Gotta make sure you go up and down. Don't do no circle like. The curling pattern is so beautiful, y'all. This is satisfying, y'all. Super cute. Super cute. This is so adorable, y'all. Wait, okay, now look at it. Now, y'all, it looks flawless. It's flawless, baby. So, yeah. It'll explode. I feel like this is the best one I ever did. Like, oh yes. Like, yes, y'all. Period. So yeah, y'all. So it didn't even shed that bad. Like it wasn't even, it wasn't no shed. Like probably one or two. But there it goes. I am not gonna bleach it again because I feel like this is like perfect in my opinion. So it's 26 inches, y'all. If y'all want to see me install it, just stay tuned. Stay tuned for Wednesday's video. Yeah, y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Wednesday's video is going to be the bald cap. So Friday, y'all are gonna see me install this bad boy. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. On the road to 2K, help me get there, and trying to get monetized, so help me get there, y'all. Thank you if you lasted this long watching the end results of me bleaching her. So yeah, y'all, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 2K.